Welcome to your fully remodeled, beach-close, two-story, interior tract home in one of the most desirable neighborhoods in Huntington Beach and serviced by top-ranked schools. Located approximately 3 miles from the world-famous white sand beaches of Surf City, this elegantly refreshed home offers 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a 2-car attached garage, and is situated in Garfield Square, a small and private community. Welcome to 7805 Garfield Avenue in Huntington Beach. Come on in. We know you're going to like what you see. Entering the residence, you are greeted by a nicely sized living area with rich laminate flooring throughout the first level, recessed lighting, and nicely appointed half bathroom with tasteful upgrades. The efficient layout flows into a nicely appointed kitchen with quartz countertops and backsplash, including a large sitting peninsula ideal for casual dining and entertaining, white shaker-style cabinets, a 4-burner electric cooktop, stainless steel double ovens, microwave, and dishwasher. Open to the kitchen, there is a dining area perfect for formal gatherings and a spacious family room with an electric fireplace surrounded by quartz stacked stone and a wood mantel from a farm. Lots of natural light and a sliding door leading to a tranquil and private backyard with concrete patio, offering a low-maintenance space to barbecue, entertain, play with kids, or just enjoy the warm afternoon sun and ocean breezes. Heading upstairs, the spacious owner's suite has a cozy fireplace with marble facade and a custom chandelier, a large walk-in closet, and a luxuriously remodeled in-suite bathroom with dual sinks, marble countertops, a matching chandelier, and a step-in shower with a sitting bench and window. Enjoy your own high-end private spa every day. 3 additional generously sized bedrooms share a full hallway bathroom with a shower and tub and dual sinks. Other highlights include ceiling fans in 3 bedrooms, newer carpet, flooring, dual-pane windows, designer paint, baseboards, and scraped ceilings throughout, central heat and air conditioning, washer and dryer hookups, and a dedicated laundry area. Serviced by exceptional schools including Huntington Beach High School, a short cruise to world-class beaches, and the fine dining, entertainment, and shops at Main Street in Pacific City. Close to 5 Points Plaza, South Coast Plaza, Costco, Huntington Beach Central Park, Library, and Senior Center, the Huntington Beach Sports Complex, the Equestrian Center, Miles Square Park and Golf Course, the Orange County Fairgrounds, and much more. Easy access to freeways and Pacific Coast Highway. Great homes in this neighborhood and this location rarely come on the market, so please call today for a private showing. And with many recent improvements, enjoy California coastal living at its finest.